focus on Summer. You know, everybody's focused on me and Candus, and I've been trying to tell them from the beginning, when the cops first started pulling into our house, that she's not here. I guess they took the time to call in search teams and everything like that, thinking that she was just lost in the woods. And I was trying to tell them she's not lost in the woods. Somebody has taken her. You know, I tried to tell them that, and they never did listen to that. They tested us. Yes, I'm clean. I don't do nothing. I won't even pick up a beer. She was dirty for weed.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
But she quit after all this was happening with Summer. She's quit that, and now I'm just trying to get her to work on the alcohol. She started drinking last night, and she quit for like 2 days. I'm like, Candus, when you drink, it just makes it hard on me. Now I got to babysit you and everything else.
About Summer, she'd care about her dad.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Because Summer loves me, man. Y'all don't fucking understand. Everybody thinks oh, poor Summer, poor Summer. Well, Summer loves her fucking daddy.
And quit his cell phone, and they're beating him. They're beating Donnie up.
Huh?
I don't think they are.
Sound okay?
They're torturing him. They are. They're torturing him. Miss him.
Yeah.
The cops are here.
Oh, okay. Well, do they want to talk to you?
No.
Okay, and just sit
They
down.
told me to get off the phone.
Huh?
They told me to get off the phone.
No sense. And you know what else, Cher? You haven't betrayed him. You haven't betrayed him, not one of his confidences. You have come out and said, sorry, that's off limits. I told him I wouldn't talk about it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You know, and that's the right thing to do. That's not what other people have done or are doing.
Do you know why the boys were taken away? I can't say that I know the whole reason, but I do know part of the reasons. So, I mean, they have crack cocaine in their system and marijuana, which is why so many lie detector tests. So that's one. The other reason is now both of them have blamed each other. I've been told it's because Donnie is abusive, and I've been told it's because Candus is abusive. But there's definitely one of the reasons is abuse in the home, whether it be one or the other or both. In my opinion, it's both. They may have a gag order, and I abided by that while I was thinking something completely different, but I'm under no gag order. I haven't been signed or served anything to be under a gag order, so I was being respectful at the time and doing what I promised I'd do and not talk about it. That ship is gone. Crack cocaine. You don't smoke the powder. Be heard by everybody, not me trying to talk for him because I thought I thought maybe I could be a better voice for him in some ways because of the way he talked. I thought he was like some dumb hillbilly, honestly, but boy, was I wrong. Thank you so much, Cheshire.
Credible information by calling 1-800-TBI-FIND or email tips@tbi.tn.gov.
And everybody's still a suspect.